Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Ruha from Army Public Junior School, Multan. I welcome you in APSEC's online sport program. This is the class of maths of level 2 and this is third week assignment. And our today's topic is comparing and ordering numbers. And our objective is at the end of this lesson, students will be able to compare and order the numbers up to 1000. Students, there are some vocabulary words that we use in this lesson, and these are greatest, smallest, greater, smaller, and equal to. Comparing numbers. By comparing numbers, you can tell if a number is equal to, greater than, or less than another number. Let's talk about the symbols. You can see the first symbol. This is the symbol of greater than or more than. The next symbol is the symbol of smaller than or less than. And the last one is the symbol of equal to. Students, you can see an alligator over here. Can you tell me what does alligator eat? Does it eat big things or small things? Let's think about it. Obviously, alligator eats big things. So, remember, the hungry alligator always eats the greater number, like 76. Students, look at this picture. 67 is less than 76 and this is the sign of less than. How to compare the numbers? There are some rules to compare the number. Number 1, line up the numbers. Number 2, compare at highest place value. It means when you are comparing the number, you have to start it with the highest place value. For example, in this question, the highest place value is 7000 and 5000. You will compare 7 and 5. Rule number 3. If the number of highest place is same, go to the next digit to write. In this example, you can see the highest place value is same like 6000 and 6000. What we will do, we will move to the next like 3 and 1. In this situation, you will compare 3 and 1. Now, let's solve some questions. You can see there are two pictures. In the first picture, there are 4 tens and 5 ones. And in the next picture, there are 3 tens and 8 ones. Remember the first rule. Compare the highest place value. In this question, the highest place value is tens. So, 4 tens is greater than 3 tens and 45 is greater than 38 and this is the sign of greater than. Which is smaller? Look at the first pictures. There are 300, 5 tens and 2 ones in this picture. And in the other picture, there are 4 hundreds, 8 tens and 5 ones. Remember the first rule. Compare the highest place value. In this question, the highest place is hundreds. So, 300 is smaller than 400 and 352 is smaller than 485 and this is the sign of smaller than. Which is greater? Look at the first picture. There are 300, 8 tens and 5 ones. And in the other picture, there are 300s, 5 tens and 2 ones. Remember the rule. First, compare the highest place. And in this question, the highest place is 100. So, 300 is equal to 300. So, what is the third step? move to the next place, and the next place is tens. So 8 tenths is greater than 5 tenths, and 385 is greater than 352, and this is the sign of greater than. Ordering number. You can arrange the numbers in two order, that is greatest to smallest and smallest to greatest. In greatest to smaller, you have to start the number with the greatest number. After the greatest number, then the smaller one, then the smallest one, and in the last, you will place the smallest number. In smallest to greatest, you have to put the smallest number at the first, then greater number, and in the last you have to place the greatest number. Let's solve some examples. Arrange the number in order smallest to greatest. Look at this question. 74, 36, 100 and 85. Which is the smallest number? The smallest number is 36. After 36, the larger number is 74. After 74, the larger number is 85. And which is the greatest or largest number? It is 100. Very good. Next, greatest to smallest. 166, 490, 276 and 95. Which is the greatest number? 490 is the greatest number. And which is smaller than 490? It is 276. After 276, the smaller number is 166. And which is the smallest number? Yes, the smallest number is 95. Let's have a recap of the lesson. What number does alligator eat? 77 and 33. Which is the greater number? 77 or 33? 77. Alligator eats 77. 92 and 150. Which one is greater? 150 is greater. 734 and 467. Which is greater? 734 is greater than 467. 225 and 229. Which one is greater? Yes, 229 is greater than 225. Use greater than and less than. 35 is greater than 24. 58 is less than 77. 145 is less than 300. 727 is greater than 413 and 214 is less than 224. And your written work is textbook page number 13, question 1 to 3, workbook page number 8 to 11 and 12 to 13. Students, do not solve the sums on workbooks. Do your work on loose sheet. This is all from my side. I hope you understand that how to compare and order the numbers. So do practice these sums at home. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.